Hi guys, this is Shubham. You're watching All About Technology. In this video, I am explaining what is Litecoin, is it profitable, is it safe, and other details. So without further delay, let's get started. So basically, Litecoin is peer-to-peer cryptocurrency, an open-source software project released under MIT X11 license. The creation and transfer of coins is based on an open-source cryptologic protocol, and it is not managed by any central authority. And also, Litecoin is as same as Bitcoin. So guys, I would like to show you first how to earn Litecoin. So guys, this is the app that will help you to earn Litecoin. The name is free Litecoin mining. All you have to do, you have to visit some ads, visit some page, and also download some apps and everything. And you can earn 1 Litecoin after 6 months, and the price of 1 Litecoin is 12,000. I'm also giving a proof that is the current price of Litecoin. And this app gives you refer and earn option also. So guys, this is the website to buy Litecoin online, and here you can see the price of 1 Litecoin is 12,285 rupees. Here you can see. So if you are using this app to earn Litecoins, that will help you a lot. Or you can use other apps to earn Litecoins. And here you can see how fast Litecoin is going. Compared to Bitcoin, both are same. And you can also get the other information about the Litecoin. So let's move on to the app, that how you earn Litecoins. So guys, this is the app, the Litecoin miner. Here you can see you can claim 2000 Litecoins each 30 minutes. You have to come back after 30 minutes to earn Litecoin. And here you can see there are 6 options available. You can withdraw your Litecoin after you get to the 10 lakh. This is the point that you have to earn in this app. And the price of 1 Litecoin, as you know already. What you have to do, you have to see some ads. On the left side, you will get to download apps and offer some service that will pay you a lot. And on the right side, you will get the videos to watch like ads and other offers. So guys, this is the little settings. You have to add your LTC wallet. So let me show you how you can add it. So guys, this is the app named Free Wallet. You have to open your account with Google ID, and after you successfully verified your account, you receive the QR code and your wallet address, so you can buy and sell Litecoins. Here you can see. So guys, this is my QR code and my LTC wallet address. So you can buy shares online by using this QR code and your wallet address. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And as always, thank you so much.